Put a thumb up and subscribe.
Acres of Diamonds, by Russell H. Conwell is a motivational lecture turned essay that imparts timeless wisdom about recognizing opportunities in one's own surroundings and making the most of them. Here are some key lessons and themes from the essay, along with examples. 1. Recognizing opportunities in everyday life. Conwell emphasizes the idea that opportunities for success and prosperity are often found in one's immediate surroundings, rather than in distant or exotic places. He shares the story of a farmer who sold his land in search of diamonds elsewhere, only to discover that a vast diamond mine was located on the very land he had sold. 2. Contentment and gratitude. Conwell encourages readers to appreciate and make the most of their current circumstances, rather than constantly seeking greener pastures elsewhere. He highlights the importance of contentment and gratitude by illustrating how the farmer in the story could have achieved wealth and happiness by recognizing the value of his own land. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. Hard work and persistence. Success often requires hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to overcome obstacles. Conwell emphasizes the farmer's journey in the story, where he faced numerous challenges and setbacks but ultimately achieved success through persistence and determination. 4. Taking action. Recognizing opportunities is only the first step. It is essential to take action and seize those opportunities to realize success. Conwell underscores the importance of the farmer's decision to act upon the information he received about the potential diamond mine, rather than passively waiting for success to come to him. 5. Seeing value where others don't. Success often involves seeing value and potential where others overlook it. Conwell illustrates how the farmer's initial lack of awareness about the diamonds on his land prevented him from recognizing its true worth until it was too late. This highlights the importance of cultivating a keen eye for opportunity. 6. Learning from others' mistakes. Studying the experiences and mistakes of others can provide valuable insights and lessons for achieving success. Conwell uses the story of the farmer to illustrate the consequences of failing to recognize the opportunities present in one's own life, encouraging readers to learn from his example. 7. The power of perspective. Success often depends on one's perspective and mindset. Conwell contrasts the farmer's perspective of his land as worthless with the perspective of the person who discovered the diamond mine, highlighting how a shift in mindset can lead to vastly different outcomes. 8. Appreciating the present moment. True wealth and happiness come from appreciating and making the most of the present moment. Conwell emphasizes the importance of contentment and satisfaction with one's current circumstances, rather than constantly seeking external validation or material wealth. Acres of Diamonds by Russell H. Conwell serves as a powerful reminder that success and opportunity are often closer than we realize, waiting to be discovered in our own backyards. By embracing the lessons from the essay and cultivating a mindset of gratitude, perseverance, and awareness, individuals can unlock the vast potential for success and fulfillment that lies within their reach. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. And while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget: knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.